Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to apply hyaluronic acid on lips. Start with clean, dry lips and use a gentle exfoliant if needed. Take a pea-sized drop and warm it between your fingertips, then press gently onto the lip surface. Avoid rubbing vigorously and focus on the center, moving outward. Follow with a hydrating balm to seal moisture. Repeat once daily or as directed by product instructions for best results. Begin by gently exfoliating lips using a soft scrub or damp washcloth, then pat completely dry. Patch testing one small area helps ensure no irritation. Use minimal product so the serum absorbs rather than pools, and avoid applying to open cuts. When layered correctly, hyaluronic acid draws moisture in and a balm traps it. Keep routine consistent but simple, and stop use if you notice redness or discomfort. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple skincare tips. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your snacks neat, which pairs nicely with taking care of your lips when you're busy. They're sturdy, easy to clean, and perfect for stashing lip balm in a lunchbox or gym bag. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Warm a tiny amount of hyaluronic acid on your fingertips before application to improve glide and absorption. Tap the serum gently across both lips, concentrating on areas that feel dry or lined, and avoid overlayering. Allow it to absorb fully, then follow with an occlusive balm to seal hydration and prevent evaporation. Use a single daily application in your evening routine if your skin is sensitive, or morning and night if tolerated well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.